Schio Castle, situated on the top of the hill dominating historic center, is one of the most symbolic landmarks of the city. In the Middle Ages, the Maltraversi, lord of Vicenza, built their castle here and maintained control over the city. Vicenza ordered demolition of fortress as reaction to the imperial tendencies of the peoples of Schio. Only few ruins of original walls and towers left. Now we can see tower with a clock and a building that in 14th century was the church of Santa Maria della Neva. Castle represents a wish of people of Schio to liberate themselves of their subjection to Vicenza. Schio has very nice old city with the facades colored in dark yellow, so city looks like it is in shadow, what is in some way reality due to surrounding mountains and always dark clouds presented in the sky. We can see impressive neoclassical building of Duomo of St. Peter. What appears today is one of the various reconstructions of an existing medieval chapel dedicated to St. Peter. In 20th century, the archpriest established his residence here and it has been the principal church in the valley. Final lock was established between 1717 and 1870. In front of the church is a statue of Viva, which represents the cultural heritage of Schio that was considered to be Manchester of Italy due to its woolen industry. The Church of the Holy Family is one of the most recent built in Schio. In some way it is a replica of Roman Pantheon, but its dimensions are only a third of the original. But the church has never been finished to the end. Schio is placed in the province of Vicenza in north of Italy with a population of about 25,000. It is placed in valley surrounded by amphitheater formed by the mountains of Dolomites that are pre-Alps of Italy. There are many narrow long streets in Old Schio and we took a random walk along it. It is a very nice and authentic city, but I have to say that this combination of hot and humid days with dark clouds with possible rain makes me feeling that I wouldn't be able to live here. We didn't have time to climb up the mountains that was recommended to us, but I think it should be done on extremely sunny days only. Church of Holy Trinity is a military shrine and just nearby its church is a cemetery dedicated to the 5,000 soldiers died in the First World War. Church of St. Francis with the elegant bell tower is one of the city's oldest, most representative monuments. It was founded in 1424 by the Franciscan monks. Ernest Hemingway said that Schio is one of the most beautiful places in the world, but it is also a place where you can expect rain almost every moment. And this time rain prevented us to visit part of the Schio that goes nearby the river.